जय राधा माधवा कुंज पिरारे नमो जना पल्लवा गिरिवरधारी जना पल्लवा यशोदानंदन ब्रज रंजन Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
नारायण नमस्कृत
नारायण नमस्कृत
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
ततो जयमुदीरये
ततो जयमुदीरये
नस्तप्रेषु उपदेषु
हस्तप्रयासु अभिदेषु
नित्यं भवतः सेवया
नित्यं भवतु सेवया
भवति उत्तमश्लोके
भवति उत्तमश्लोके
भक्तिर्भवति निष्ठिकी
भवति नैष्ठिकी
हरे कृष्ण
हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम
राम
राम राम हरे हरे
राम हरे हरे
जय 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 गंतराष्ट्र गौतम की जय Srimad Bhagavatam 10 Canto, the advent of Lord Krishna introduction. Chapter 1 and text number 15. Sri Shuka Uvacha
शुकवाच
Samyagya
सम्यग्
Vabhisha
देश
Buddhish Tabha
तव
Rajasi
दर्शि
Sattama
तम
Vasudeva
वासुदेव
Kathayam
कायं
Te Yas
यश
Jata
यत
Naistiki
स्थिति
Ratya
गतिः
Hare Krishna. Translation. Srila Sukadeva Goswami said, O Your Majesty, best of all saintly kings, because you are greatly attracted to topics of Vasudeva, it is certain that your intelligence is firmly fixed in the spiritual understanding, which is the only true goal for humanity, because the attraction is uncashing, it is certainly sublime. Krishna.
श्रील सुखदेव गोस्वामी ने कहा, हे राजर्षियों में श्रेष्ठ, क्योंकि आप वासुदेव की कथाओं के प्रति अत्यधिक आकृष्ट हैं, अतः निश्चित रूप से आपकी बुद्धि आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान में स्थिर है, जो मानवता का एकमात्र असली लक्ष्य है। क्योंकि ये आकर्षण अनवरत रहता है, अतएव निश्चित रूप में उत्कृष्ट है।
Krishna, in this verse, Sri Sukadeva Goswami said to Maharaj Parikshit, that actually, or best of the king, actually you were very interested in hearing the topic of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna. So your intelligence is fixed in actually in observing about the pastimes of Lord Sri Krishna. So actually it is actually the true goal of human life. So actually it is the only medicine for especially for this age of human beings, for this age of Kali Yuga. So actually, just to be free from the material bondage of life.
Purport. Krishna Katha is compulsory for the Rajarshi or executive head of government. This is also mentioned in Bhagavad Gita. Unfortunately, however, in this age the governmental power is gradually being captured in third class and fourth class men who have no spiritual understanding, and society is therefore very quickly becoming degraded.
राजर्षि अर्थात प्रमुख प्रशासक के लिए कृष्ण कथा अनिवार्य है। भगवद गीता में भी यही कहा गया है, किंतु दुर्भाग्यवश इस युग में सरकारी शक्ति धीरे धीरे ऐसे निष्ठित लोगों के हाथ में जा रही है जिन्हें कोई आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान नहीं है। इसीलिए समाज का तेजी से पतन हो रहा है।
Actually, it is told that such type of spiritual knowledge should be acquired by all people, especially the government. Government actually should know the spiritual knowledge compulsorily. So in this age, actually most of the political leaders were lacking of such spiritual knowledge. So in this way it is actually there are so many problems are actually increasing in these days. So it is due to the lack of spiritual knowledge by the government leaders.
Krishna Katha must be understood by the executive head of government, or otherwise who will people be happy and give relief for the pains of material's life? One who has fixed his mind in the Krishna consciousness should be understood to have very sharp intelligence in regard to the value of life.
सरकार के प्रशासकों कृष्ण कथा समझनी चाहिए, अन्यथा प्रजा कैसे सुखी हो सकती है और किस तरह उसे भौतिकवादी जीवन के कष्टों से छुटकारा मिल सकता है। जिसका मन कृष्ण भावनामृत में स्थिर हो चुका हो, समझिए कि जीवन मूल्यों के विषय में उसे प्रखर बुद्धि प्राप्त है।
Actually, if political leaders, I mean government, has no such type of spiritual knowledge, then actually how actually the common people will achieve permanent peace and happiness. I mean, actually, if actually a king of a country does not know the spiritual knowledge, does not know the necessary such type of necessary knowledges for ruling and for actually for serving the people. So it will be difficult. It will be difficult for that king to rule the country So it is quite difficult to attain peace and happiness for the common people. I mean, actually, the government should acquire, should possess a type of spiritual knowledge compulsorily, so that he could serve common people. So actually, so beautifully. So in this connection, actually, my spiritual master, Dr. Dhir Singh, His Holiness Srimad Bhakti Swarup Damodar Swami Sripad Maharaj, scientist and saint, he said that actually in the search for deeper understanding of life and consciousness, inclusion of spirituality in the actually in the scientific, within the scientific research can become a significant factor. In other words, science and spirituality or religion should be actually should be an important partners in this most profound area of human quest. So actually, further my spiritual master Dr. Dhir Singh said, actually the study of the chemical evolution of RNA and DNA molecules within the existing scientific theory actually will never be able to solve the mystery of life and its origin. So we need a new science. The new science should incorporate the fundamental spiritual aspects of nature. So this new science will be able to explain life, consciousness, and God. So actually, such type of spiritual science should be known actually by all people, but especially the ruler of a country or the political leaders, that is a government, actually should know such type of spiritual sciences compulsorily, so that he can rule the country very nicely.
Maharaja Parikshit was Rajarsi Sattama, the best of all saintly kings, and Sukadeva Goswami was Muni Sattama, the best munis. Both of them were elevated because of their common interest in Krishna Katha. The exalted position of the speaker and the audience will be explained very nicely in the next verse. Krishna Katha is so enlivening that Maharaja Parikshit forgot everything material, even his personal comfort in relation of food and drink. This is an example of how personal Krishna consciousness movement should spread all over the world to bring both the speaker and audience to be transcendental platform and back to Godhead, Krishna.
महाराज परिषद राजर्षि सतम अर्थात समस्त राजर्षियों में श्रेष्ठ थे और सुखदेव गोस्वामी मुनि सतम थे अर्थात सारे मुनियों में श्रेष्ठ थे। दोनों ही कृष्ण कथा में एक सी रुचि के कारण उच्च पद को प्राप्त थे। अगले श्लोक में वक्ता था श्रेष्ठता के उच्च पद की बहुत सुंदर व्याख्या की गई है। कृष्ण कथा इतनी उत्साहदायक है कि महाराज परिषद समस्त भौतिक बातों को, जहाँ तक कि खाने पीने संबंधों अपनी निजी सुविधाओं को भी भूल गए। ये इसका प्रमाण है कि कृष्ण भवनामृत आंदोलन को भक्त तथा श्वेता दोनों को एक समान दिव्य स्तर पर लाने तथा भगवत धाम ले जाने के लिए सारे विश्व में किस तरह फैल जाना चाहिए। हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna. The actual conclusion of this verse is that actually all the people should know such type of spiritual knowledge. I mean, knowledge about the Supreme Personality of Godhead and the knowledge about the spiritual self. So that we can achieve permanent peace and happiness, and actually we shall be successful in life. So my central point is that without such type of spiritual knowledge, it is very difficult for us to achieve that is, I mean, permanent happiness in life. That is the spiritual happiness. So material happiness, generally we know that material happiness is very temporary. So actually we should know that first of all we are the spirit soul, not this body. So we are the parts and parcels of Krishna. So that is, I mean, inseparable parts. By cultivating this knowledge that we are the inseparable parts of Krishna, so we have to serve Krishna so as to satisfy him. So in this way, if we actually render service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, that is for satisfaction, then surely our life will be successful. I mean, we shall achieve full satisfaction, and at the end of our life, surely we shall be able to go back to Godhead. Hare Krishna. For now, we shall end here. Hare Krishna.